happy Sunday. Welcome back to Auntie Nina's kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing some chicken wings, but we're gonna be doing a Hennessy glaze sauce with it. You can use it for a game night, family night. You know, everybody loves wings, so we're gonna do wings today. And I'm already portioning out my seasoning, so I'm gonna go ahead and season, and then I'm gonna get right back to you guys. So I already seasoned my wings. They're looking like they're ready to eat, but this is just the basic seasoning that I put on. I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg, and then I'm gonna add the flour with some breadcrumbs and the same seasoning that I used to season the chicken. I'm gonna use in the flour, but I'm gonna combine everything together and make it into a paste. I'm not gonna do a dip. I'm gonna combine everything. Here we go. Okay guys, after I did the egg mixture with the flour, I'm gonna do it lightly now. I'm gonna dip lightly in my extra flour. And then I'm just gonna go over to the pot and start dropping them like it's hot. Who don't like wings?
Not me. I love wings. I'm a big fan, Mom.
Everybody's a big fan of wings. Wingstop. Guys, I am about to start the sauce.
Welcome.
I'm gonna go ahead and add some pineapple juice. I'm gonna use the same pineapple juice from the sliced pineapple. I'm gonna use about 3 pieces of the pineapple, but I'm gonna cut them in small pieces. I'm also gonna add some orange juice. A whole bottle of orange juice. I'm gonna add some honey. Who took up the honey?
It's oh.
I want to know who took up my honey.
It was me. Sorry.
No, girl, it was me. I moved the honey.
Robin, that be nice. Now I'm gonna have to edit and let the YouTube family know, so I'm just like chatting at the background.
Alright.
Is that for yourself?
No, it's bloopers worthy.
Is that what?
Bloopers worthy.
I'm gonna put this to a boil, and then I'm gonna add some cornstarch and some pepper flakes and some food coloring to give it a little zazz.
A little pizzazz.
A little pizzazz. sauce, I did for it. I added my pineapple in small pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch. I don't want it too thick, I just want it lazy. So right here we have orange juice, pineapple chunks, honey, and cornstarch. I'm gonna go ahead and add myself some pepper flakes, and I'm also gonna add some egg powder. I don't know if a lot of people know egg powder. It's a form of food coloring. Just a small amount because it's very strong. So this is the color I'm getting. And this is the consistency of the sauce. Not too thick. I'm gonna turn the fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and add my pepper flakes. And then, guys, we're gonna add our Hennessy. I'm gonna use measuring cup, so I'm gonna use half of my Hennessy. Wings them looking good. KFC ain't got nothing. Okay guys, so this is the wings. Now I'm gonna put the glaze on. I'm also gonna add extra sauce, and we're gonna have with some carrot and celery sticks. So we're eating healthy and we're eating fatty at the same time. So this is my Hennessy glazed sauce with pineapple chunks. For the people who love extra sauce, we're just gonna put it to the side.
Guys, look on that. We got chattings.
And I put them in bite size, so we have no issues picking it up and taking a bite. Okay guys, so thanks for tuning in. This is the end of today's video. And this is our Hennessy pineapple glazed chicken wings served with celery sticks and carrots. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe now, because we're gonna be coming every week with a new video and you don't want to miss out. Thank you guys. Love you. See you on another video.